I want to welcome everyone back to another episode of Generation Investors. And I am Coach Flo for those who checking in for the first time, and all other Generation Investors. Do me a favor by smashing the thumbs up and continue to share this channel, continue to share this podcast, because we are serious. We are serious about financial freedom. And if you are serious about financial freedom, hopefully by the end of this segment, you can consider yourself being the next generation investor. And I want to talk with you briefly about important week coming up next week in the crypto space. If you've been paying attention, crypto is starting to wake up at the right time. And so Bitcoin, Ethereum, and of course XRP, I'm going to share with you what is going on, the price action, as well as, if you stay tuned towards the end, strategies, motivational tips that you can apply today while waiting. So XRP, the first spot XRP ETF is looking to be pushed out. Launch next week, September 18th, as the time's recording. Now, we had a little setback this past week. It was supposed to be out September 12th, but you already know there's always some opposition. There's always some discrepancy that's trying to keep momentum, trying to keep forward going. Don't worry, all my XRP lovers. I do believe that this is just the beginning. So without any type of delays or hiccups, they're looking to get this first one out. Okay, it's not going to be just XRP. It's supposed to have Dogecoin. It's supposed to have Trump coin and a little bit of Bitcoin. But this is a catalyst, and definitely this is groundbreaking, because XRP, that the fact that this spot ETF is being proved and being launched, more XRP ETFs is already going to be pushed out. That's just the name of the game. Okay, so this one, get things set in motion. Watch the momentum build up for XRP ETFs, because there are so many others in line. They are waiting in line besides this one right here. So I'm excited to see what it does for the price. And with so much capital tied to XRP, you know what time it is. Okay, another catalyst that's heading into next week: interest rates. Okay, they have the interest rates FOMC meeting, and the Fed, Jerome Powell is supposed to be speaking between the 16th and the 17th. And they are predicting 25 to 50 basis points, because inflation has been doing, you already know what's going on with inflation, how it's been going crazy with these prices. And so in order for them to combat this issue, they have to cut the rates. And when they cut the rates, this is good for crypto, because remember, crypto is a risky asset. You have to do your due diligence, and you have to do your homework when it comes to crypto. And also, do not, I got to say it about 3 times, put money that you cannot afford to lose. That's right. Bill money, insurance money, car loans, car payments, grocery money, mortgage, rent. Do not put that money, if you know that money is going towards those different type of expenses. Only put what you can afford. $10, $20, $50, $100, $500, some $1,000, and some $1,000 plus, $5,000, $10,000. But always consider when it comes to crypto. But interest rates, definitely, this is the catalyst that we're waiting for. Once they, whether it's 25 to 50 basis points, however it is, it's going to go well for crypto, which goes well to the moon. That's right. So I'm excited to see what next week's hold for crypto. And this portion of this podcast, we're talking about price action, Bitcoin is sitting at 115K, between 115K and 116K. Okay, so Bitcoin is continuing to move in the right direction at the right time. And that's why we continue to buy Bitcoin, because long term, especially as we finish off this year, Bitcoin has yet to really rocket ship, but it's going to rocket ship. I do believe it's going to rocket ship. There's so many different key catalysts that's going to help Bitcoin move to that 150, between 150 and 2,000. Okay, by the end of this year. So moving on to Ethereum. Ethereum, do believe that the altcoin season is on the way at the time, sitting at 46.73. So Ethereum is starting to move in the right direction as well, moving closer and closer to that 5K mark without any type of discrepancy. This can easily go over 5,000 for one Ethereum. So that's why we continue to be patient and play the waiting game. Okay, definitely Ethereum will be the one that's going to open up all other altcoins. Speaking of altcoins, shout out to the XRP. If you have XRP, put it in the chat. XRP is in at $3.10 at the time of recording. And this one right here, I do believe once these XRP ETFs get approved, get launched, we can easily be sitting between $4 to $5 for XRP. And that's just the beginning. I have full confidence that the price will go up once the dust gets settled and once the inflow of capital goes into these ETFs, and then adoption. Once adoption and we get more mainstream adoption, XRP can easily go to $10, okay? Easy go to $12. It's just depending on any type of news, whether it's Trump saying something or a tariff or anything that's going to disrupt the momentum, because right now crypto has momentum, just like stocks, it has momentum. So definitely stay updated, and I'm going to keep you updated, which brings me to, if you say to this portion, the strategies that you can apply. Definitely motivation, because everybody needs motivation during these times. The first one, do not fall for lifestyle inflation. Don't set yourself up for lifestyle inflation. And when I mean lifestyle inflation, for those who don't know, basically the more money you make, the more you spend. Typically people who get a raise, they get a new job, what have you, they go out, buy a new car, buy a new house. Do not fall for it. Do not fall for the vicious cycle of lifestyle inflation. If anything, live below your means. That way you can always keep money in your pocket. That way you can always prepare for unsuspected emergencies. And those emergencies happen all the time. Tires break down, cars break down, they need parts, refrigerators, any appliances, washer, dryer, things clunk out. So you have to live below your means. So when you get a raise or you get some type of bonus, put that thing in an emergency fund, high yield savings account, you can put into your investment account, whatever it is. But don't fall for that trap, because that's going to keep you in a vicious cycle. Moving to research and do your homework. Definitely stay researching these crypto projects. They have so many different upgrades and updates that they're doing for the future. And you got to stay updated, and you got to stay aware by doing your homework, because things change all the time, especially in crypto. Prices move up, prices go down. And that's in one day. So remember, crypto is 24/7, unlike the stock market. Crypto don't close. And speaking of the stock market, stay diversified. Definitely don't be all in on crypto. Don't be all in on stocks. You have to stay diversified. That way you can make money in both places. It's not, I'm all in on XRP, I'm all in on Bitcoin, Ethereum. You can get both of them. You can get all of them. That's the way how you stay diversified in crypto, just like stocks. Stay diversified. Don't put your eggs all in one basket. We're looking at to make money here in both directions, stocks and crypto. So if this applies to you, smash the thumbs up, hit the like, hit subscribe. Let me know in the comment below, what crypto do you hold? What crypto do you hold? And you want to continue to keep buying more of it, because now is the time to invest in yourself. That's right. Invest in yourself, build up these streams of income that's going to fund you your financial freedom. So if you have enjoyed this episode, smash that thumbs up, and I got more in store. Stay tuned. Peace.